Okay, so this is our other idea, and what you see here is that the LEDs on my knob are lighting up, and that is because Robert is turning on his knob. For now we are doing this by some kind of switch, rotation sensor, and when he is turning his knob, so the LEDs will burn. Now I can switch my knob as well. I can turn it as well. And when he completely turns it on and he lets it go, the idea is that the knob will gradually turn back itself. And when it gradually turns back itself, the lights of my knob will gradually slow down.